Hello guys, welcome to the top 10. In this video we will see the real fight comparison between cat and snake. This is going to be interesting, so watch it up to the end to get the final conclusion. So let's begin. To compare a cat and snake, we should look out a few questions which will sharp the conclusion. First, do snakes afraid of cats? While snakes have a reputation as being dangerous and scary creatures, that doesn't mean they can't be scared of stealthy animals that are larger than themselves. There are many creatures that can frighten a snake, and it's highly likely that a snake could be afraid of a cat. Snakes will try to avoid cats. If the snake can't escape, it will use defensive behaviors like hissing, rearing up, tail shaking, and striking. Snakes are frightened of cats because they move very quickly, attack with claws and teeth, and are larger than most species of snakes. Cats have different personalities, and some are more curious or aggressive than others. The same applies to snakes. The more aggressive the snake, the more likely it will become defensive when it encounters a cat in the wild. Second, do cats eat snakes? During the summer months, snakes are found slithering in yards or bushes. Cats, curious by nature, are going to want to investigate these creatures. It's very common for a cat to attack a snake by nature. But, do cats eat snakes? Cats do eat snakes and have a high tolerance to snake venom. However, most cats will only attack snakes, but not eat them. Cats see snakes as enemies, and snakes see cats as enemies, so it's likely they will avoid each other. It's important to know the risks of cats when they encounter snakes, especially poisonous ones. Third, can a cat keep snakes away? Cats and snakes are mostly enemies. Snakes do see cats as predators, and because of this, snakes will avoid cats. The thing is, snakes also really enjoy comfy homes with a lot of food sources. Landscaping has a lot to do with whether or not a snake wants to live in your yard. Popular landscaping choices such as water features, large rocks, and lush greenery are prime real estate for a snake. These various features give a snake a place to hide and keep their eggs. Another thing most landscaping provides is a space for common prey that snakes like to hunt. A final factor to consider is if your cat even wants to hunt them. If a snake is spotted in the garden, your cat might not even care enough to get after it. Some cats are a little more on the wild side, but others not so much. All in all, your cat may drive away snakes. That being said, it is not guaranteed. In fact, it isn't a reliable method at all. I am sure that you may imagine the fight by these questions, but let's see the fight clip in real. After seeing all perspectives, let's come to the final thoughts. If there is an actual fight between cats and snakes, then it depends on both if it's a domestic cat vs a rat or any such small or medium-sized non-venomous snake, then cat would win. But if it's a big king snake and a small domestic cat, the snake would win. Average or medium-sized cat would kill it easily. If it's a big cobra or any other big snake, so the fight may go both ways, with cat dying of poisonous bite and snake of dirty cat bite. If it is a python or anaconda vs any cat up to size of cheetah or even sometimes small to medium leopard, would die against the python. I hope this video is being informative for you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Meet you soon in next video. Goodbye.